Hey guys, today I will talk about the crude oil, about the US oil. I will talk about the US inflation economic data and its impact on the crude oil, on the US oil, as the price stands in a demand zone. So personally, I'm looking maybe for potential longs, for potential buying opportunities, but the US economic data could be decisive today. So here is the disclaimer. Please read it. And don't forget that there are a lot of scamming groups, fake accounts out there. Don't be so please be careful. Yeah, the only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is if you'll send an email to support. And yeah, if you want to join the VIP groups, you'll have to buy a subscription. Yeah, this is the only way you can access the VIP groups. Yeah, so please read the disclaimer. Let's take a look. US oil. Massive drop, guys, after failing to make a new higher high, after failing to take out the former highs. Some potential sideways movement here in the short term. And right now it has reached this demand zone here on 4 hour. Okay, and after this massive sell-off, we cannot exclude a potential or a temporary rebound in the short term. And yeah, I will use maybe this level 65.67. Let's take a look also on daily first of all. Yeah, and right now, yeah, after reaching this zone here, false breakdown with great separation, maybe below the former low, pin bar, which it was confirmed, a rebound, but in the short term the downside pressure remains high. But as I've said, after this strong sell-off, downside movement, we cannot exclude the potential or a temporary rebound. But also don't forget that temporary rebound here could bring us new short opportunities. So as long as we don't have a potential strong bullish pattern, a potential upside reversal pattern, it's premature to talk about a larger upwards movement, because temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities. Later today, guys, we'll have the US consumer price index, core CPI, as high impact events, and most likely the volatility could be high. And in my opinion, the crude oil and the US oil could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term. That's why we'll have to be careful. And maybe here I'll wait for yeah, right now you can see here 1, 2, and 3. The upper medium line retest, the medium line as support, only false breakdowns. But as I've said, temporary rebounds could bring us new short opportunities, because as long as it stays below the lower medium line here, it could extend itself, could approach and reach the medium line again, could approach and reach 65.67. And yeah, right now it has registered only false breakdowns below 67.01, 67 psychological level. That's why right now it tries to rebound, but the pressure remains high. So we cannot exclude also a deeper drop, in my opinion, guys. In my opinion, one moment. In my opinion, if the US dollar rallies, okay, if the US dollar rallies after the US economic data, then maybe the US oil could extend its sell-off. Okay, and only a potential US dollar depreciation could bring a larger rebound here on the US oil. Okay, this is my opinion here about the US oil. And after failing to make a new higher high, after failing to stabilize above the former highs, yeah, the downside pressure is high, guys. And but after this massive sell-off, I've told you, a bullish pattern here inside of this demand zone, or staying above the immediate low, major I don't know, major reversal pattern, upside reversal pattern could bring us potential longs. But I've told you that here in the short term the downside pressure remains high, and this could represent only a temporary rebound. Potential flags, guys, in the short term could announce a potential downside continuation, potential flags, could announce a deeper drop if the US dollar jumps higher, if maybe if the US dollar Canadian dollar will develop a larger leg higher and swing higher. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget that the economic data should bring sharp movements and high volatility. Here is a disclaimer, please read it, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.